And we're off.
Yeah.
This is some real jungle, as you see. Well, maybe you can't see. These rocks are wet. It's like a light mist. It's not really raining too bad. So I think it's kind of better to even step on the grass. But I take it step by step. But you could come out here and use your own technique. Whatever gets you to the beach. This beach is called Freedom Beach. I don't know the backstory on the beach, but it's on our list of beaches. And the rain just picked up, but I think we are protected by the trees. I don't feel it as much as I hear it. That's the first clearing. Is this someone's house?
Yeah. See if you can.
Is there supposed to be a beach?
This is like a real movie. You walk in the forest and then you see a house. And knock the door.
Did those other people say go down here?
Who's sleeping here?
Hmm? Oh shit. I think we're just like walking upon someone's home.
สวัสดีครับ
We're gonna verify we're going the right way.
Oh, the dog.
Hmm?
สวัสดีค่ะฟรีดอมบีชลงไปทางนี้นะคะจ้า
Yeah. So this is real neat. To your tinnies. So there's a beach down here somewhere. Legend has it. I'm avoiding the footholds here. It would be nice if this bag was waterproof. Not a guarantee. It's like the tree is blocking
The rain.
the rain. But yeah, it's raining for real. It's really raining like on Predator. Alien vs. Predator. Alright, we got to some stone. Uh-oh, let me check on baby girl. Damn. We got to some stone. I think closer. Is that another path?
Yeah. I don't know where it is.
One at a time, right?
Better road here.
Yeah. We are going down, down, down. And it's a little slippery. So, word of caution. Now, you can be adventurous and wear your sandals if you know the area like that and you have the leg strength. But
this is how foreigner walk in the slippery floor. These Thai people.
and I hope you can tell how steep it is. Incline, decline.
Okay.
This was to get us down a little steeper section. I hear the water.
Yeah, yeah.
So we must be getting close. And it's hard to tell how close we are. But we are continuing to go down. We can only go down so far. I'm busy watching my step. The benefit of using this camera, I don't have